Tired of staring into the sun every time you open your app? Let's fix that. In this video, I'll show you how to add a slick dark mode toggle to your C WinForms app, with just a few lines of code. Let's go. First, we have to create a kind of test project. Just a window with some controls like TextBox, radio button and button for the toggle. Or whatever you want. You can use also a already existing project for this modification. Now we need a way to toggle the mode with a button. We'll keep track of the current state using a simple Boolean variable. And inside your button click event handler, we flip the switch. This does three things. Flips the mode. Applies the new theme to the entire form. Updates the text so the user knows what's active. So now it's time for our main method apply theme. I will create the code first and then we can talk about it. It's not too complicated but effective. But see for yourself. Here's the secret sauce, a single method that flips your whole UI between dark and light mode. Let's take a look at the code. This method takes in a control, like your form, and applies dark or light styling to it, including every single child control. Recursion for the win. A few extra tips. You can store the dark mode preference in Properties. Settings. Default to remember the user's choice. Customize the back color and 4 color values to match your brand style. Want to style things like data grid view, menu strip, or tab control? You'll need to handle those controls manually, but the same principle applies. And just like that, your app now has a modern dark mode, ready for 2025 eyes. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more WinForms magic, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Until then, happy coding.